Trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, do I try all the time in this institution. And I pray, oh my God, do I pray every single day for revolution. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, wake in the morning and say, hey, yeah. And I, hey, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, wake in the morning and say, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I get real high and that's me. I said, hey, what's going on? Ooh, 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 ooh. 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs and melodies pure and true, true. Saying this is my message to you.